Grabovoi concentration exercises, 18th day of the month. On this day, you should concentrate on stationary objects. These could be a building, a table, or a tree. You may choose whatever object you like. Then, try to figure out the individual essence of the chosen object, its meaning. We are talking about its meaning for specifically you. In other words, you need to understand what this particular object means for you. That is the purpose of this exercise. From this point on, I will no longer include in the description of the exercise that, while you are concentrating, you must simultaneously keep the desired result in your consciousness to control its implementation. This will be assumed for the remaining exercises as well. Exercise number 2. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 8, 5, 4, 2, 1, 2. 9-digit sequence. 1, 8, 5, 3, 2, 1, 9, 4, 5. Exercise number 3. You should go where there are people. You should go where things are happening. You should work where there is resistance. And when you recognize this, the resistance will become transparent. Its power will weaken, and you will see the world of eternity, even if there is still some resistance. Go and be wherever you want to be. You can be anywhere. You can embrace the entire world of wealth. And for this reason, you fight with the resistance for an eternal life. The resistance falls. You will see the light of eternal life and receive it. So shall it be forever and ever, and for all times.